Y'all, why? Good morning, y'all. Why am I traps? So it look like I've been lifting weights over my head. What's going on? Good morning, or good day. Welcome and welcome back. Welcome back. I'm so mad because my husband left and went walk without me. So guess what? I'm going to ride my bike after I take my morning meds, like the old people. I know I have gray hair, but I ain't old yet. Sometimes I feel like it though. How old are y'all? Y'all let me know. How old are some of my viewers? I know I have like 2 people that watch and comment on my videos, but how old are y'all? And where are y'all from? I would love to know. Anyway, let's see. I guess y'all can watch me take my meds. I slept in today. I was so tired. Oh my God, I cleaned the garage. I shampooed the carpets. And I worked 3 buildings because one of my employees was off or needed off. So I had to request my lovely Lexi and Des to come help me. So that meant I had to go help her at her building. Plus, I had to do my own building. So I was pooped. I slept like a brick, that's not normal. I mean, that is normal. That doesn't normally happen for me. I don't sleep as well as I used to. I guess like when I was in my 30s, I used to sleep hard. I sleep good. But granted, I do take naps in the day sometimes. So, I don't know, but I tell you one thing. I can't rooster like I used to. Good morning, Kizzy. Little attitude this morning. What's going on? Hi. Gonna smell my morning breath? Good morning. What's wrong? You in the mood? Lexi said she almost took her hands off. I don't know. What's going on? Huh? Trying to see my breast thing. Probably is. I'm going to brush my teeth. And then I'm going to ride my bike because my husband left me and went walk without me. He liked to do that and so said don't wake me up. He so said don't want to wake me up because I'm gonna get mad, and I will. I'm kind of glad he didn't though. I was so tired. Oh my God. Whew. Well, all right. I see y'all on my bike ride. Y'all, I'm back from my bike ride. And woo! It was hot. But it felt good with that breeze. I need to do it every day. I was, it was too hot to walk. And I don't know how I'm out of breath. Well, I do know how I'm out of breath. I'm out of shape. It's so crazy because I can't remember. Lexi and I did, I can't remember when this was. The Zydeco 5K marathon. And we did good. I mean, you know, to say we didn't prep, we did damn good. 45, no 49 minutes for me. And Legs, I don't remember. Legs came in not long after me. But midway, I was recontemplating my life. Like, I really thought about getting off the path and just going, finding a way to Uber to my car, me and her. And then I caught that second wind and I was ready to roll. And it started drizzling, like almost midway, right after the half mark. It started drizzling, which that felt so good. The rain on our face while we was running, it was refreshing. So, oh yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get ready for my day. I have a couple of buildings that we do on, today is Tuesday. On Tuesday, I'm not cleaning up till I come back. Although my rule is we don't clean nobody else's space until our own space is clean. But today, that rule's not gonna, we're gonna just, it's null and void today because I woke up late and I didn't do what I needed to do. So, and I'll be late if I don't like to, because that takes my whole day away if I'm late. So I see y'all in a few, okay?
And I always
No,
wanted to.
tell what? Tell
Uh,
me again how you left me this morning.
I was going to drive my grandson to the bus stop. And then from there, I'm like, man, the birds look nice. Well, let me go buy the little cooler and see what everything looks like.
I wake up with crust in my eyes, head hurting because my bonnet was too tight. Open my phone, and what do I see? Hold on, I'm going to show
The
y'all.
beautiful nature at work.
The nature.
If I had some
Mother
bread,
Nature.
If I had some bread, I was going to feed them little
You're not supposed to give bread to ducks. That's why all them ducks at Gerard Park look horrible. You see what bread does to you?
Then he was coming by me.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw those ducks on my journey. I got jealous, so me and kids went ride bike. No, that's what I had planned on doing anyway. I wanted to go ride bike. We have to get another Huffy. That's a cruiser right there. I need a partner in crime to ride with me. Who needs a gym when you can just go to work? That's what my husband says. Get paid to work out?
Yeah.
Mount Everest. This means wash. It's a corporate apartment, so it's pretty clean. Come on, Bob, move out the way. Pretty clean, except for in here. our final and last stop. This is our final and last stop, and we, fingers crossed, nobody's there. Nobody's been there all week. Or they put a note to say they don't need any help. Yay. Yay. 4 down, 0 to go. Now we could go eat. Now my husband could treat me to lunch.
So her favorite. Oh, she don't get a big bowl? She never eats it all.
Show my hand shake.
I messed it up.
We'll try again later. Look where you at. You happy?
Yes.
You want me to share with you? I'm not sharing you though. I'll share with you.
Oh, okay.
And not my food. My boba. Where the boba's at? Where the boba's at? All y'all throw their hands in the air. What you got?
I forget what I had.
Something berry. Cherry berry?
Don't remember.
So I need my meat a little more cooked. Little Didi, he couldn't resist. He ate his steak tip. What that is? Beef tip? Beef tip, and he got him some food. If it's one thing I'm going to do is cook a pot of fresh sausage. Because number one is easy, and number two, everybody likes it. I put that sausage on before I went to work, and I didn't record nothing at work, so it's 9:41. I was seeing some shit about something, I don't know, but my Apple Play was on, so it didn't record anything. I think I was just talking about some thoughts that came over me, but anyway, I'm going to bed, y'all. Good night. I'll think about it tomorrow, maybe record it. See y'all next time. Wait, bye. And work is not my identity either, because that's why I say work is work. When I retire, it's no more. And that man can leave me tomorrow. He could walk out physically. He could physically walk out that door, or he could walk up the heaven's gate spiritually. So who are you when it's just you? That's what I want to know. Like, we all tend to lose ourselves from time to time, But never forget, y'all. Your identity is bigger than your roles. And that's something that I need to implement in myself again. I forgot